How to fix the issue where you can't extend your C drive with unallocated space. So if you have unallocated space like you see here, and it's not letting you allocate or extend this to your C drive, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and fix this issue. Now to do this, we first need to go and open up the start menu. You can then search for CMD and right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. You then need to type in RE agent C space / disable and then go and press enter. And you should get this message that says operation successful. You then need to go and type in disk part and press enter. And you should see a message like this. Then type in list disk and press enter. And you should see your unallocated space. Type in select disk 0 and press enter. And that should go and select it. Then type in list partition and press enter. Now you should see a partition called recovery. And mine's this fifth one in the list here, partition number 5. But yours might also be partition number 4 or 6 depending on where it is in this list. So I'm just going to type in select partition 5 and press enter. You can then type in detail partition, press enter, and then you should get a message that looks something similar to this. Now if you don't see this message, you've probably selected the wrong partition, so just make sure to select the one next to recovery, and if you have two different recoveries then you can try using the other one. So all we need to do now is go and copy this number here next to type. So I'm just going to select this and press Ctrl C on my keyboard to copy. You can then go and open up the notepad on your computer and go and paste in this number that we just copied. You then need to come back over to the command prompt and also copy the attribute as well. And then we're just going to paste this onto a new line. You can then come back over to the command prompt and type delete partition override and then press enter. It should say successfully deleted. And once you've done that, what you can do is come back over to disk management. And if you don't know how to get to this window, you can just open up your start menu, go and search for partition and click on create and format hard disk partitions. Now from this window, it should have deleted the recovery partition. And now we can go and right click on the C drive and you should have the option to extend. You can then press next, click on next again, click on next, and then press finish. And as you can see, it's now allocated this to our C drive. And now all we need to do is go and recreate that recovery partition. So right click on your C drive, click on shrink volume, type in 1024 and press shrink. You can then go and right click on this unallocated space and click on new simple volume, click on next again, next, and finish. Now head back over to the command prompt on your computer. Now type in list partition and press enter. And we need to go and select the partition that we just created. So it's going to be this one here, number 4. So we're going to type in select partition 4 and press enter. Then type in set space ID equals. You can then open up your notepad and you need to go and copy this top number here. You can then go and paste that in and press enter. Now type in GPT space attributes equals, and then go and copy this second number and we're going to paste it in and then press enter. And now finally, we're just going to type in list volume and press enter. So you should now see this D drive in the list. So we're going to type in select volume space capital D and press enter. Then type in remove space letter equals capital D and press enter. And then just go and type in exit. Now finally, just type in RE agent C space / enable and press enter. Once you've done that, you can close out of your window and you can see now that we've extended our partition. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.